If your faucet suddenly shoots water sideways instead of producing one clean stream, look at the spray pattern. It can reveal the problem before you remove a single part. Random jets coming directly from the end of the spout usually mean the aerator is clogged. Sediment blocks some of its openings, forcing water through the remaining ones at odd angles. Unscrew the aerator, separate its components, and clean the screen with water, white vinegar, and a soft brush. If water sprays from the edge where the aerator connects to the faucet, check its threads and rubber gasket. The aerator may be loose, cross-threaded, or missing its seal. Reposition the gasket and reinstall the aerator by hand. Forcing it with pliers can damage the threads and make the leak worse. On a pull-down kitchen faucet, spray coming from the side of the head may indicate blocked rubber nozzles, a damaged spray selector, or a loose connection between the hose and spray head. Clean the nozzles gently and tighten the connection according to the faucet's design. Replace the head if its housing is cracked. After reassembly, begin with low flow and check the pattern before opening the faucet completely. A chaotic spray usually comes from a very small obstruction or seal, not a major plumbing failure. Like this fix before the next unexpected kitchen shower.